going to look at the Object Selection tool in the 2020 update of Photoshop. First, let's make sure we have our Workspace set up through Window, Workspace, Essentials, and then reset that panel to make sure that you have the Essentials panel working. Selections work mainly with pixel color difference. This often means that the tool has trouble distinguishing things like shadows or the exact content you want. The Object Selection tool does a superb job of isolating content, and you can still go in to use the Select and Mask feature if you need to refine. The Object Selection tool uses artificial intelligence rather than pixel color to discern key visual content. You select this in the same group as the Quick Selection and Magic Wand tools. The Object Selection tool works as you marquee over the object you want to select. In this case, we can see that the Object Selection missed a small area. So we can hold our Shift key down, marquee over that, and quickly add to the selection. Overall, this tool is user-friendly and does an excellent job of making selections even quicker and easier than before.